In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify password page, providing you with a step-by-step guide to personalize and improve the look of this often overlooked part of your online store. Whether you're aiming to enhance your brand presence or simply refresh the aesthetic, you'll find all the insight needed right here in just a few minutes. To get started, first head over to Shopify. If you haven't already, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Themes section. You can find this easily on your admin dashboard. Within the Themes interface, you'll be able to adjust the visual identity of your store. Next, locate the Customize button, which provides access to your theme editor. This is a powerful tool where you can adjust different aspects of your store's appearance. In this editor, you will notice a drop-down menu at the top. It usually displays Home Page. Click on this drop-down, and a list will appear showcasing different parts of your store. From here, you select Password to begin editing the password page specifically. The password page is typically broken down into a few key sections, like header, content, and footer. Clicking on any of these sections will bring up a variety of settings you can modify. For example, you can add a logo to make your brand stand out, insert a background image for a splash of color or personality, or update text to provide visitors with a clear message or special instructions while your store is password protected. You also have the flexibility to add entirely new sections, giving you even greater control over the design and messaging on this page. To further tailor the page to fit your brand, click on the Theme Settings gear icon. Here you have additional options to adjust various elements, including colors and typography, which help maintain consistency across your site. Social media settings can also be adjusted, allowing your audience to easily connect with you on different platforms, even from this simple page. It's essential to remember that these settings will apply across your entire store theme, ensuring uniformity. Once you have completed all the desired tweaks and are satisfied with your new design, make sure to click the Save button. This will apply your changes and make sure they are securely stored. It's always a good practice to double-check everything before finalizing, as this ensures your page is not only stunning, but also fully functional. By following these simple steps, you've successfully transformed your Shopify password page into a more engaging and on-brand experience for your customers. Remember, consistent and thoughtful design speaks volumes about your business, even on pages that might seem secondary like the password page. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.